Hello, YouTube, and welcome to the Luca Show. This was a little short notice, so this is gonna be really dumb. Welcome.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
So, let's do a whole what's in my bag. This is kind of like used for purse purposes. Got my phone, my drawing pad. I'm working on this one right now. And got a letter that I kind of keep with me. It's a drawing I got for my birthday a couple years ago. My lost SD card. Well, I don't have anything in the front pocket, just this bag, but the bag's there because I usually keep my contacts in here, and if they were to leak, I don't want them to ruin the bag, so I just keep this bag here. So let's put that there for a second. Oh, and then this is my sash for magnet. Isn't it pretty? I need to fix it up a little bit. We've got a really cute keychain. We've got Domo in a panda suit. It's really soft. And then we've got the Mama Shiba. This bean. This one's the chili bean. And there's my headphones. And then my necklace is pretty cool. I like it. Got a quarter, 2 quarters, dime, a little phone charm. But my phone doesn't hold phone charms, so love this phone charm though. I could have sworn my DSI was in here. Let's see what's on TV. You know what? I'm hungry right now. We're gonna go into the kitchen. Let's see. I don't really like chocolatey cereal. Oops. Honey Nut Cheerios. That sounds awesome. Yeah. Welcome to my crib, MTV. Let's make cereal. turning this into a cookie shop, getting fancy. I'll show stuff. First, you're gonna want to figure out how to open it. And you're just gonna pour that stuff into your bowl. Yeah, do that. Oh, that was a little much. Oh, yeah. It's hot out. Strong, independent voice paint. That's what I am. And you're gonna need milk. It's my secret ingredient. I use whole milk. I don't care what my doctor says. Just gonna. Then you take out motherfucking spoon. You all know what you're gonna do with that. You're gonna put it in, you're gonna fucking eat it. So there's my tutorial on how to make bull cereal. It's good. We can play Game Boy. I don't even know if this is charged. It's charged. Neat. Why is it? No. No. It's not working. This is sad. No, we're gonna do it.